Here's a few questions on radicals and simplifying them. In this first one, they ask you to add these two. Now you can't add them because the radicands are different. So hopefully I can make the radicands the same. So in this first one, you took 45 and made it root 9 times root 5. And the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Perfect. This next one, same thing. So you went 9 times 20. That'll work. And so square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Good. And then you've got this root 20. But still those radicands aren't the same. So can I break down that 20 a little bit more? 20 is 4 times 5. So I could do root 4 times root 5. So 5, square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 12 would be 24, root 5. Now I've got two that have both the same radicands. Now I can gamble with the first. So 9 take away 24, what would that be, 15? Is that right? Negative 15, root 5. So there's that one. Excellent work there. The next one is you're asked to rationalize a denominator. And so to rationalize the denominator, you always multiply by the conjugate. So you don't multiply by the same thing that's there. It has to be the conjugate. And basically, you just change that middle number or that middle sign. So I'm going to change that to a plus. And so up top here, if you multiply the bottom by that, you have to multiply the top by that. So the top, 6 root 7. Okay. 6 root 7, yeah. And then a positive root 42. And then negative 6 root 42, like it. And then negative root 252. Might be able to simplify that. We'll see later. Over, let's do the same thing on the bottom. 6 root 7 times 6 root 7 would be 36 root 49. And then this will be a positive 6 root whatever 42 times 7 is. 294. 294. And then this times this would be a negative 6 root 294. Something's going to happen there. And then the last one will be a negative root 42 squared. Okay, so let's see what we have. On the top, I have 6 root 7. And then these are like terms, aren't they? That was sort of cool. Like terms, so that would be a minus 5 root 42. And then this minus 252. Let me just think. Does 36 go into 252? Where's my calculator? 36 into 252. I'm just guessing because 6 times 7. I'm just guessing. Let's try it. 252 divide 36. Yeah, it goes 7 times. So this would be root 36 times root 7. Okay, all over. Now these middle two, because they're opposites, will cancel. And then the first one would be 36 times 7 minus this last one, the square and the square root cancel, so just be minus 42. Keep simplifying here. These two have the same radical, so I can subtract them. So it'd be 6 root 7 minus 5 root 42 minus 6 root 7. So the 6 root 7s, those will cancel out too. Over 36 times 7, 42, 252. We did that one already, yeah. So this would be 252 minus 42 on the bottom. So the top, this and this are the same. So I'm just left with minus 5 root 42. And on the bottom, 252 minus 42 would be 210. At this point, I'm feeling pretty good. But I can simplify it a little bit further because 5 will divide evenly into itself and into 210. So I could rewrite this as negative 5 root 42 over 5 times something. What's 210 divide 5? 42. And so the 5s, that's a factor of 1. They cancel. So my final answer will be negative root 42 over 42. I'd love to be able to cancel those, but one's inside a radical, one's out, so you can't. So you are done there. Hopefully that helps you with those two questions.